That was
Some of the bitch.
That was 2.
Finger slipped off, hit the button. Hate to make a part 2. That's when I could have just kept it running.
Ready?
Yep. All right, leftovers part 2. Hitting the Asian full boats. Woo! Whoa. Low bridge there, brother. Low bridge. No, not that third break. Damn, that was a pretty low third break.
Fuck yeah, it was. This is another triple banger.
Do it.
You might want to get a little more for this one.
All right, let me brick this and I'll hit this mortar at the same time you hit that one.
Right. Yeah, that broke really low, dude.
Yeah, it did. Hang on.
All right.
Fuse is down in the poopy. Got it. You ready? I'm ready. Hit it. Get out of Dodge, baby. Get out of Dodge. There. That's yeah. That's how high you want that third break to be. You don't want it to be raining down by then. Nice. I'm gonna send up another one of these inch ball shells here. Oh yeah. So these are the kind of leftovers that never really leave you full. I love it. Love it.
Full boat. Going down.
Full boat going down? Give me a second. Let me brace this high def cake. I want to see this high def cake. See what the rave is over this color. The video looked nice. Let me hit this first before you get to it there, Harry. Okay. Keystone Fireworks. 200 gram cake. High def.
Got it.
Got it. Oh, that was nice. Damn. Nice. Sorry for the finger there. Still a pretty sweet ass color. Damn.
One more full moment out of this too.
Do it. Smells just as good as that leftover turkey cooking, doesn't it? Mmm. Sweet.
Alright, now I'm gonna flip the other full boat too.
Asian full boats are nice. Asian full boats are nice. Moving. Right here.
There's already one in it.
Yep. And I got 2 back here to your left. Do it.
Do it. Here, wait, where's the 2?
Go ahead. Festival shells gone?
The festival for shells.
No.
They shouldn't be.
Okay. Let's burn them next. Sweet. Send one of these small festival shells up. These are the ones you get in those assortments. I think this one was from the Times Square assortment. They're decent. For an inch ball shell?
There's another small shell.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Dude, that wasn't even brick.
Yeah, I know.
You alright with that?
Yeah, for them 1-inch shells? Yeah. And for where we're at, yeah. Nice. Nice. All right, hit it.
There's only 2 more of them left. They're in my hand.
Move to the back shells then, the ones I have here.
I'll set one of these ones off there. The little one. Or your little one.
All right, whenever you're ready. Getting out of Dodge. Sweet. We didn't even plan that. They were matching colors.
I got one more little one.
All right, cool. Run it in. Now you got one more out here too.
Do I?
Yeah. It's on the ground here. Holiday
Cake
leftovers.
fell, or that thing fell.
It's okay. It went where it was supposed to before it fell.
See that? I heard it hit the ground. You said there's one more of these.
Yeah, it's out there on the road. All right, another one in shell. Tasted that one. Sweet.
Since when did it whistle?
I brought a 6-pack at a whistle and a 6 at a regular.
So you're alright with this last one in here? Brick. Did it fell last time?
Is the last one in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just make sure it's sturdy. Hit it. Gonna hit this one at the same time.
Go.
There we go. You got it. Again, dude, they were matching colors. Didn't even set that up.
Alright.
Sweet. I got 2 for the back tube here.
Alright, I got 3.
2.
I got a full boat loaded.
3 is right.
Huh?
I do have 3.
What are you lighting them at the same time?
Now I'm gonna hit this front one first here. Out of Dodge. You got it. Nice. First year for those Asian full boats. I don't think it'll be the last either.
No, I don't think it's going to be the last for the full boats either.
Nah, they got some nice doubles and triples on them. Even the singles are sweet.
Yep.
You want to hit that back left corner? I'll hit this one.
Where?
That tube. Woo. Smells so good.
Triple banger.
It just smells so good.
Triple banger.
Make sure thumbs are brick.
There. Oh, there's a full load in here already.
Hit it.
Listen to the echo. Now I got a triple banger.
All right. Another Asian full boat. Gonna hit a triple. Triple banger. Yep. I'd say they're nice.
Double banger. What about that crazy fruit cake?
Ah, let that be for the end.
Okay.
Hit it. Yeah, don't wait for me, bro. Hit it. Woo! Put some gravy on it. Gotta love them leftovers.
Those 3 cakes and those balls, right?
Oh, and it smells so good. Ah, it smells so good.
Oh, you still have that cake in the back yet, too?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. What do you got? The smaller ones? And
I just got the full boat. The full boats left and those 2 big cakes and then that crazy fruit.
all right, let me hold on a second. Let me brick this. All right, I'm gonna send that Color Me purple up. I think my girlfriend will get the hint when she sees 16 shots of the same effect. Make sure it's stable here. All right, I'm gonna hit this first here, and then you can hit that later.
Okay. You just want that to go by itself.
Yeah. You get back and watch some Color Me purple. That's purple. That's purple. Nice. Damn. Well, color me purple. Man, that was a nice one. That was a goodie. That was a goodie. I'm actually impressed. All right, big.
All right, full boat time.
Full boat.
Got it?
Yep, gonna hit this full boat. Hitting the full boat. Nice. Nice. Canister shell of the full boat. Telling you, not bad at all. Grab one over there.
Good, man.
Not bad at all.
Right here, there's 2 left.
Damn. Take a look at this. It's bricked
I'm sweating like I was last night.
and it's still lifted up. Never be too safe, Pyros. Holy hell. Good thing that did what it was supposed to do. That tells me I'm gonna throw more than 2 bricks on these other caves. For sure. For sure. I think cool. Damn. Alright.
Maybe later.
Here you go.
What's yours going?
Right one.
For here?
Right in front of you.
Yep. Alright. Running some more of these Asian full boats. Case of those. Wholesale. 7 boxes of 8 in the case. I hate to tell you how much.
Hey, I got another one.
You got one more?
Yes.
Alright.
Dakota was holding it.
Alright, well hit that up. I got this video running. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now brick this bitch up here. And we're ready for some Wicked Good. Let's do it Wicked Good. Oh. Sweet.
What's that?
Wicked Good.
Wicked good.
Brick that honey badger.
Is that other 500 grammer?
Yep, brick that honey badger. Rock it. Everything in the back row is good?
There's still more. I don't know why you're not saying.
Yep, brick that honey badger. Take all 4 of them bricks too. That color me purple cake,
Yeah.
that was tipped on its side by the last shot.
Was it?
Where's your fuse?
I have no idea. Crazy fruits with this.
If you wanted to, and then that would, no, because I don't have bricks. Where the hell is the fuse? Okay, here it is.
1 more. No, 2 more.
Well, this one and the crazy fruits. Fuse is in that corner.
Daddy, taking it.
All right, here we go. Honey badger don't care. It's a classic. all-time favorite.
This is a good one.
It's a good one. It is a good one. Whew. That honey badger really doesn't give a care, does it? Whew. That's a goodie. Yep, I'll take that with a side of mashed potatoes for leftovers. That was a goodie. You got that crazy fruitcake?
Yep.
And that's it? Sweet.
Well, no, the 4 booms.
Oh, did I forget about those?
I forgot about the
Did I
boom.
forget about those? Did I really forget about the booms? No. No, 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 no.
Hold on a minute.
Okay, hit that shit and get out of there.
Ready? You gotta run.
Crazy Fruits, 25 shot. Those crazy, crazy fruits. That's almost like the cranberry sauce at Thanksgiving, right?
It is.
Grab me those other 2 bricks, would you?